do you have, Sam? Sam, where's your mouse? Where's your mouse, Sam? Where's your mouse? Ooh, Sammy, Sammy, Sammy. Where's your mouse? Ooh, your LGBT mouse. Oh, wow. Shelby, easy, easy. Where's your mouse? Where's your mouse? Hey. Yeah, the LGBT mouse. So happy to find his mouse. Huh, Sam? Wow. You really can't forget the grudge you have against cats, huh? No, unforgettable. Unforgettable is what you are. Sammy! Oh, God. And he has a mouse. Yes, he's LGBT mouse. Wow, he's like a hockey player. I think he's a reincarnation of a hockey player. Cuckoo. Wow. Shoshana. Ooh. Now has a new challenge. Are you gonna get that? This is really better than anything. This is, people go on safaris to find interesting animals when they're just around the corner. Let's see what's gonna happen now. What do you think is gonna happen now? In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Right? Slowly, very slowly, slowly, slowly. See the little balls. Slowly. Let's see how it's going. Uh-oh, the fear there. Ooh. Tiger versus bear. Who's gonna win? Dog, bear. Who is gonna win? Who is gonna win? The tiger is waiting and waiting and waiting. And sleeping, sleeping. Go for it, Sam. Go, go, go. The mouse is waiting. Pretending he's not looking. Let's see what he's gonna do. Come on, somebody make a move. And Sammy. That's it. Bear. Come back, come back. Who's looking? Okay. Come, Sammy. Go for it. Go for it, Sam. She's sleeping. Come on. Come on, Sam. Sam. Sammy. Sam, come. Come. Come here. Come here, Sam. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, Sammy. You decided to give up. Sammy. Oh, Sammy. It's him. Sam. Dima. Oh, that's so nice. Why are you so mean to him? Well, and with a little help from your friends. Yeah.